Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, today I will tell you about how to make pudding. The ingredients needed are: first, 1 pack of pudding. Second, pudding mold, or you can replace it with a bowl. Third, prepare 450 ml of boiled water. Next, sweetened condensed milk. And the last is a pan and spoon to cook it. If all ingredients are ready, let's start it. Okay, first, mix the pudding powder with boiled water into the pan. And stir it. Then, cook it until boiling and keep stirring so as not to cook. If it has boiled, leave it and pour the pudding into the mold. Then, let stand until cold. Hi guys, now the pudding is cold. If it's cold, put the pudding in the plate and infuse it with sweetened condensed milk. Okay.